gentlemen, and welcome to another episode of Cars Unlocked. My name is Christopher. Today I'm super excited to show you the fully redesigned 2018 Toyota Camry XSE. This one is the XSE V6, so you get the added horsepower, you get the bigger engine. Most people go with the 4-cylinder, but I got my hands on this V6 today here to show you. This has been fully redesigned for this year. This one is obviously in the platinum pearl white and does come with that black full panoramic roof. Very sporty look to these new Camrys. Toyota's done a great job. I'm very excited about this vehicle. You do have the LED headlights, so no fog lights as they're going with the upgraded automatic LED headlights. I really like these Toyota and Lexus honeycomb front grills that you can see there. Really nice front grille, gives it a nice aggressive sporty look. Nice front black accents all throughout as well. And then you can see we have the forward sensors throughout and that forward facing camera right under our Toyota emblem. Here we are on to the rear. Again, that nice sporty look continues. We got the nice rear spoiler as well. LED tail lights and LED turning signals are on the rear. I'm not really a big fan of these fake vents on the back here, but they give it a bit more sporty look. And here we are, the first Camry with dual exhaust. So this one, nice dual exhaust on each side. And then we have the parking sensors on the back. Backup cameras right below our Toyota and Camry badging there. So taking a look under the hood, this one's the 3.5 liter V6 engine, like I mentioned earlier. Gonna pump out about 301 horsepower at 6,600 RPMs. Most people will go with the 4-cylinder, but this one gives you that added horsepower. 301, probably as much as you can get in a front-wheel drive vehicle. They do not make these all-wheel drive. It's going to give you about 267 pounds-feet of torque. As far as fuel consumption goes, this automatic V6 is going to give you about 9 liters per every 100 kilometers combined. 7.1 on the highway and 10.5 in the city. It is an 8-speed automatic transmission. It's going to give you the paddle shifters as well. If you want to switch and use the sport mode, you can enjoy the paddle shifters. So with the redesigned car comes the redesigned key, very similar to the old Camry keys. This one's pretty neat. It does say Camry right on the back, but you do have the lock, unlock, trunk, and panic button right on the key there. So with that said, let's unlock the Camry and take a look at the interior. Just need to have the key in the proximity there, and I can just put my finger there and it will unlock the vehicle. In this V6 XSE package, you can choose between two interiors. One being this black interior leather, the other one you can get a nice red leather, which I'm going to try to get my hands on fairly soon. Okay, so here we are in the interior of the Camry, and wow guys, I don't know where to begin here. So many things to see, so many things to look at. Very nice leather wrapped wheel. I fall into this nice 8-way power adjustable driver's seat. No memory seats in this top model Camry. You'd think they would have memory seats, but no memory seats. I think they're saving that for the Avalon buyers. We got our Bluetooth right on the wheel. Our intelligent cruise control as well. It's going to use the forward sensors to keep your steering. It does have the active steering assist, so it will help keep you in the lane as well. I like how Toyota went with just the regular front to back shifter. A lot of the other Toyotas you would have to turn it left and right, but I really like the redesigned shifter knob here. And then we do have our Eco, our normal, and our sport modes. Electric parking brake as well. And then our heated seats. So maybe being the top model, you would expect air conditioned seats as well. The vehicle information screen, it's right in between the two gauges where I can track like my kilometers to empty, fuel economy, distance to empty, There's a few different screens. I can turn on and off my driver's assistance, radio controls. So here's all the safety options that come with it: pre-collision assisting, parking assist, blind spot monitoring. So now we're checking out the infotainment system. So a nice 8-inch screen here. You do get the JBL upgraded sound system. Nice vivid touch screen. It does flow seamlessly through when I click on it. There's no lag on the clicks. Our digital climate control is down below. You do get the Entune 3.0 audio suite. It does allow for automatic updates, which is pretty cool. It does use the 4G connection, so I can automatically update this Entune app suite. So you can update it on the fly while you're driving. As you can see, it's downloading one right now. Very nice screen. And you do have that nice angle to it, which is going to make it a bit more visible. Very high pixel ratio on this 8-inch display. You see I got my radio to the right. You can do the Sirius XM. Only downside of this, there's no Apple CarPlay. I know some people are going to be disappointed about the Apple CarPlay, but I'm sure Toyota's trying to work that out. Of course, you get the auto dimming mirror, which comes with the 3 automatic garage door openers, and nice large panoramic roof, which opens up with the touch of a button. Looks really good from the outside with the black roof, but it also adds a lot more light into the vehicle, and it goes pretty much all the way to the rear. Okay, so the backup camera is very nice on this car. I had to mention it. You can see it gives you the bird's eye view of the vehicle, and you do have the nice vivid guidelines there. I'm trying to hold my camera and park this thing at the same time, so it might be a little sloppy. But in assistance to the backup camera, I really like this feature. There you can see the sensors are going off. And then if I press this camera view button, I do get a bird's eye view of the vehicle, and it does do a real 360. You can see I'm not even close to being in the spot there, and it allows you to check out your parking job, and then if I see I'm crooked, I can readjust. So gonna make it easier to park when you're in those urban centers. Really cool feature that I like about this. Okay, so let's take a look at the trunk. Nice large trunk. This one comes with the rubber mats, the carpeted mats as well. And it is a 60-40 split back there. So lots of space. Well, thank you very much for watching another video. Don't forget, today we checked out the 2018 Toyota Camry XSE. Any questions, do not hesitate to ask me in the comment section below. Hit that subscribe button, and thank you again for watching.